Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In today's video, we are discussing the concept of topological sort. So topological sort, although it is named as topological sort, actually it is applied on a cyclic graph. So a cyclic directed graph, I would say. So a graph is a graph which is of cycle. So we're not going to create a cycle. So we have like this, A, B, let's say C over here, and let's say we have got D. So one of the important things in topological sort that you need to know is that what are the possible numbers that we can write. So we can write from A, if there is an edge between A to B. Let's say there is an edge between A to B. This is U, and let's say this is V. So I always have to write it as AB. Why? Because U is coming first and V is coming later. So you have to write like this. I cannot write BA. Why? Because there is no edge from B to A. So if I have to write the whole particular scenario, what kind of scenario it will be? It is ABCD. This can be an answer, right? Or if I have to take another example, I'll take A, B, C, and D. So guys, what kind of answer I can write? Can I write C, A, B, D? I cannot. Why? Because there is an edge from A to C. So if I can take it as U, I can take it as V. I can take this as U, I can take this as V. I can take this as U, I can take this as V. So I can always write BD, that is possible. I can also write BA, that is also possible. I can also write AC, that is also possible. But can I write AB? I cannot, because there is no basically edge between A to B. There is an edge from B to A. So technically, I can write the whole scenario as BAC. That is definitely right. I can also write it as okay. I can write it as BD. That is also a possibility. There is no other possibility as such. I cannot write CABD. No, but I can write from B to D. Then BAC I can write, and this is not a cycle that we are following. So definitely there is one thing that you need to understand, that if there is an edge from U to V, if there is an edge from U to V, you have to write it as UV, not BU. Fine. This is a topological sort for you. Hopefully, you are able to understand it. If you have any doubt, kindly ask in comment box. Thank you for watching.